if BJP government feels that they are acting because of the harassment by government officers which is meted out to the farmers in their farming operations or to individuals whose life and property is endangered by a coconut tree because of the harassment by government officers or because of the delay by government officers, then the remedy in such situations lies in ensuring that the government reins in their government officers to act immediately without any delay in such cases, and could further subject such erring officers to appropriate action. But that doesn't mean you amend the act and remove the coconut tree from the definition itself. Are we clear on that? Number one, the law as it stands today, which is made by the legislature of Goa, in its definition clause, in the Goa Daman and Due Preservation of Trees Act in section 1A, includes a coconut tree in the definition of trees. It is an inclusive definition. It is not the exclusive definition. Now this definition mandates the government to protect the coconut trees as mentioned in the Act. Therefore, Goa government's decision to remove the coconut trees out from this Act, the Congress party is in sync with the sentiments of the people and the Goans in opposing the decision of the BJP government.